I've written a little app that will run both the import and the cleanup tool on a file that you want to bring in, either a DXF or DWG file. Of course, right now, if you want to import a DXF or DWG file, go to Import, and you can choose your files. Choose whether you want to insert file name or not. I'm just going to go with no for right now, and put the parts in there. So at this point, if you didn't run your cleanup tool and you went to your cam tab, and we'll just do our quick button here, because there are some openings in the geometries, we lose our outer geometries here and just end up with something like this. So then you would probably go back to your tools tab and maybe do the analyze function to see what you've got going on. We've got some openings and such in these parts here. So then you'd probably run your cleanup tool, tolerance, since we've got gaps, I'll start with 1/1000 of an inch, and Control A, hit enter, do the analyze again, Control A, hit enter. Now we've got no gaps. Now we can go ahead and make our parts. So this app that I've written will do both the import and the cleanup, and it cleans up with a tolerance of 0.001. So if you end up with gaps that are bigger than 1/1000th, then you just have to run your cleanup tool again. I may in the future give a little prompt there where you can, like with the current cleanup tool, specify what you want that cleanup tolerance to be, but for now it's 1/1000th of an inch. So we can add this little button up here wherever you want it. I've got it on my cam toolbar. So click on this. Again, prompts you whether you want to insert file name or not. This time I'll go ahead and click yes. And we'll click these two files again here. Insertion point, left click where I want to insert the part. And then text insertion point. And then height default is 1/4 of an inch, or I can left click and left click to indicate the height of the text. And then insertion point for my next part, left click again. And again, insertion point for text, and I'll go there, and I'm just going to hit enter for the default value of the text height. What it did there was import the parts and then also run the cleanup tool. So if I go ahead to my quick button, it can go ahead and create those parts. So if you're interested in testing that new app out, please send me an email and I'll get in contact with you and get it installed on your system. Thanks.